I feel this is a landmark appointment because for the first time since the inception of Pakistan, a female judge has made it to the Supreme Court. So I think it is huge and it is a stepping stone for women who are actually practicing or who are in the judiciary to actually have some space there as well. This seniority principle is not applicable. It is only applicable under our constitution for the senior most judge who is in the Supreme Court as a CJP, the Chief Justice of Pakistan. So the seniority principle is a myth which is not being followed. It's like a convention. Over 41 judges have been appointed in the Supreme Court against the seniority principle. So there was never a revolt then. There was never resistance back then. So why only when a female was to be appointed in the Supreme Court that this resistance suddenly came forward that, the senior most judge should definitely go up to the Supreme Court. So I think it's also about the patriarchy, the system that we live in, and it's about male dominance. Has some very remarkable judgments, which are further, a feather in her cap, I would say, because she has outlawed. She was the brilliant female justice of the Lahore High Court who actually outlawed the very archaic virginity test that was still used for rape victims and rape survivors in Pakistan. So I think she has a lot for her competency, and that cannot be doubted at all. Especially when it comes to female judges, we really need them to be at the forefront, and we need them to be able to have the power to make decisions, to make absolutely wonderful judgments, to pen them down. Because especially in cases which are related to female gender-based violence, we don't have that representation in the bench. Women are subjected to violence because they're always treated differently. They're discriminated against. You talk about women in public, they will be harassed, they will be groped, so we are not safe in public places anywhere in the world. But yes, I feel such decisions of bringing women in the bench, in the judiciary, I think they will definitely make a difference. When we go practice, it is really hard in a male-dominated, in a very, very dominated fraternity, in the legal fraternity. We go to court, we obviously have to face that male gaze, scrutinize us from head to toe. So we have to make sure that doesn't happen to us and we are not treated as aliens over there. We need to make our own space. So when I go to court, I make sure that I'm not treated differently. I have to practice the way the male lawyers are, the way the legal community is. We have high chances of Justice Ayesha Malik to be the first CJP of Pakistan. So let's hope, we need more. At least we should have 5 Supreme Court female judges to, actually have the required representation of females in the Supreme Court. So, we've kickstarted. Let's hope we can have more female judges and, so we can have a better representation of women and we can show the world that, we are progressing.